Hello friends, welcome to the first video on refraction of light. Refraction of light. The basics first. We all know that whenever a ray of light goes from rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal, and when it goes from denser medium to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal, just like the ray of light should have gone straight like this, but because of refraction from rarer to denser medium, the ray will bend towards the normal. Here, from denser to rarer medium, the ray of light should have gone like this, but it bends away from the normal. Very simple phenomena of refraction, but there is more to it. What is that more thing? What exactly happens in refraction? Bending of light takes place and the speed of light will also change. Not only the visible bending of light takes place, but if you could see the speed of light also changes. Generally what happens? From rarer to denser medium, the speed of light will decrease, and going from denser to rarer medium, the speed of light will increase. Right? This is all governed by a law which is called as the Snell's law of refraction. You can see the Snell's law of refraction. This is the complete law, right? And what law is this? Suppose we have two medium, which one is rarer, which one is denser. Just forget about this. It's medium 1, medium 2. In the first medium, speed of light is v1. In the second, it is v2. In the first medium, the angle with respect to normal is angle 1. In the second medium, the angle with respect to normal is angle 2. Wavelength of the light in medium 1 and 2 are lambda 1 and lambda 2. How are these things related? See, sine of angle 1 upon sine of angle 2 is equals to v1 upon v2, which is also equals to lambda 1 over lambda 2. But when it comes to the ratio of refractive index, that is n2 upon n1, that means अगर आप इस लॉ को स्पीड्स के लिए लिख रहे हो तो मीडियम 1 की चीजें ऊपर हैं, वेवलेंथ्स के लिए भी मीडियम 1 की चीजें ऊपर हैं, लेकिन जब आप रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स के लिए लिखते हो तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सेकेंड मीडियम वाला जो है वो ऊपर आएगा. राइट? व्हाट इज दिस रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स? Snell's law is that the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction is a constant. And what is that constant? That constant is known as the refractive index. The basic question now comes that why refraction of light takes place? Why the light bends? Why the speed of light changes? So, see, different transparent media have different electromagnetic properties. किसी भी दो अलग ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम की इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टीज एक जैसी नहीं होती हैं. राइट? द चार्जेस आर डिफरेंट, free charges are different, bound charges are different, electric properties are different, and electromagnetic properties are also different. Okay? So when ray of light goes from one medium to another medium, it altogether faces a different and electromagnetic environment. And because of this difference in the electromagnetic environment, there will be a change in the electromagnetic wave also. So that is why the refraction of light takes place. Few things change on refraction and few things do not change on refraction. इसको समझ लेते हैं एक बार. What are the things that are changing in refraction? The first thing is speed. Definitely it is going to change. Second is the direction of the speed of light. That will also change. The wavelength will also change. The things which are not changing are frequency and phase. मैं बताऊंगा आपको कि ये फेज क्या होता है किसी भी वेव का. Let us see what this phase is. You know about the wavelength and wave characteristic. What is light? Light ultimately electromagnetic wave ही होती है. So if I draw one electromagnetic wave like this, okay, ये मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव बनाई and this is in medium number 1. अभी ये यहां पे जाती है मीडियम नंबर 2 के अंदर. तो इसका फेज हम कैसे पता करते हैं? हियर द फेज इज 0, here it is 180, here it is 360. 0, 180, 360, that is 0 again, 180, 360, 180, 360, 180. ऑलराइट, यहां पे इसका फेज कितना है 180. तो व्हेन इट गोज इनटू द नेक्स्ट मीडियम, ये यहीं से अपनी वेव मोशन को कंटिन्यू करता है. ऑलराइट, अगर मीडियम नंबर 1 से मीडियम नंबर 2 पे ये गया है ऑन ये वाली क्रेस्ट वाली पोजीशन है, तो मीडियम नंबर 2 पे ये क्रेस्ट से ही शुरू करेगा. अगर मीडियम नंबर 1 से 2 पे जाने पर अगर ये ट्रफ वाले मोड में रहता है तो ये सेकंड मीडियम में अपना मोशन ट्रफ वाले मीडियम से ही शुरू करेगा. ऐसा होता है रिफ्रैक्शन के अंदर. रिफ्लेक्शन के अंदर ऐसा नहीं होता है. इन रिफ्लेक्शन द फेज रिवर्सेस बाय 180 degrees. Suppose if the wave, this is the incident wave and this is the reflected wave. So this is the incident wave, it's like this. यहां पे पहुंचने पर इसका फेज होता है 0. तो जो नई वेव स्टार्ट होगी यहां से उसका फेज कितना होगा, उसका फेज होगा 180. सो रिफ्लेक्शन का हालांकि यहां से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, बट स्टिल फॉर योर नॉलेज कंसिडर दैट इन refraction there is no change in the phase, but in reflection there is a phase change of 180 degrees. Coming to the topic of refractive index, very small very cute topic, absolute refractive index. वो जो constant था हमारा sin I upon sin R वाला, right? If the first medium is vacuum, if the medium from which the light is coming is vacuum, then whatever that constant is, that constant is known by the name of absolute refractive index, and the formula is written like this. या तो हम इसको सिर्फ n लिखते हैं और we write it as nm0. m medium, what is vm? Speed of light in the medium. And what is c? c is the speed of light in the first medium, that is the vacuum. Okay, now whenever we calculate refractive index, you see the refractive index is always greater than 1, or sorry, absolute refractive index is always greater than 1. Why? See, take a look at this ratio, speed of light in vacuum and speed of light in some other transparent medium. In vacuum, light travels with the maximum speed. So numerator is always greater than the denominator. लाइट की स्पीड वैक्यूम में मैक्सिमम रहती है और जब वो दूसरे मीडियम में जाती है तो वो स्पीड कम ही होती है, बढ़ नहीं सकती. सो बिकॉज न्यूमरेटर इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर, दिस फ्रैक्शन which is absolute refractive index is always greater than 1. Right? Now coming to the last thing, refractive index. Refractive index can be defined for any given pair of media, whether it is rarer to denser or denser to rarer, and it is simply given as refractive index of medium X with respect to Y. How should you read it? Refractive index of X with respect to Y. यानी लाइट पहले कहां पे थी? लाइट पहले थी मीडियम X में, अब रिफ्रैक्शन के बाद में ये गई है मीडियम नंबर Y में. This can be given as Vy upon Vx, that is the ratio of speed of light in medium Y and medium X, or it can be given as the absolute refractive index of medium X to the absolute refractive index of medium Y. Okay, there are some short questions. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आते हैं 1 मार्क के, तो उनको सॉल्व करने के लिए ये वाला कंसेप्ट रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स का आपका क्लियर होना बहुत जरूरी है.